Hi everyone, in this video, let's learn how to play with all teams in eFootball 2024. So normally you just choose a certain group from here. But if you want a ready-made match, then you can go to authentic or the trial match in here. And then you can just select home team, for example, this one. But it's another thing if you want to play with all themes. So there are two things that we can do in order for us to do that. So first is by tapping there the extras. So let's go back and tap extras there. And then go to tap training. So learn the match command and then tap free training. And here you can see practice match. Now if you're in here already, you can actually play with all teams using this practice match or a trial match. And then so if you wish to pause this game, now we have two options here, whether you choose a home team and an away team. So let's go first on our home team. You can actually choose here certain area of your home team, so for example Europe, and you can choose here a team name, or for example this one, I'm going to choose Manchester United FC. And then you can choose for the away team the same thing, just choose it from there. And then you can now actually play with all themes with that kind of way. So if this is informative, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.